Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Java skills with JetBrains, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA from the official JetBrains website. Choose the community version for free access or the ultimate version for all features. Install the IDE by following the on-screen instructions specific to your operating system. Once installed, open IntelliJ IDEA and select Create New Project to start a new Java project. Make sure to configure the project SDK to a suitable version of Java that matches your learning goals. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and explore key components like the Project Explorer, Editor, and Terminal. Check out the built-in tutorials available in IntelliJ to get a head start on using the IDE effectively. Next, utilize the powerful code assistance features by starting to write your Java code. Take advantage of code completion suggestions to improve your coding speed and accuracy. Explore the refactoring tools to learn how to restructure your existing code seamlessly. Compile and run your Java applications directly from the IDE to test your code in real time. Make use of the debugging tools to identify and fix errors in your code. Enable breakpoints within your code to pause execution and inspect variable states. Learn how to use version control systems like Git integrated within IntelliJ IDEA for better project management. Explore the plugins available in JetBrains Marketplace to extend IntelliJ's functionality. Look for plugins that focus on web development, database management, or testing frameworks to diversify your skills. Practice writing unit tests using JUnit, which can be easily integrated into your projects within IntelliJ. To boost your knowledge, participate in coding challenges on platforms that support IntelliJ integration. Join the JetBrains community forums to engage with other developers and seek help when needed. Consider following online courses or tutorials specifically designed for Java development with JetBrains tools. Through regular practice and exploration, you'll gradually enhance your Java skills while becoming proficient with JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.